Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, sadly, there is no button for unfollowing everyone on Instagram at the same time, and that's not possible with only one account. The only way that you can do this is go to a person or a profile that you want to unfollow, and then click here and then click unfollow, and that is literally all you can do. However, there is an alternative method. If you want, you can delete your account permanently and then create a new account under the same name, and that will do pretty much the same thing. It'll create you a new account with nobody following you, and then you can follow the people that you want from there. However, your old account with your old posts, unless you download them, will be completely gone, and all engagement, everything from there, will be removed. So you need to think very good about whether you want to do that or not, but sadly that is your only option. There is no button to unfollow everyone at the same time, and it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.